Alright boys, what is good? So this is actually a pretty big video because this is going to be my first video on this 100k funded account. Now I have actually taken one trade on this account so far and it was a loss, but hopefully today we can make that back. I'm going to be showing all my trades over Instagram and in the Discord. So if you want to follow how this funded challenge is going, then you can see them on then. And I'll also be trying to do some weekly live trades or so, maybe with some weekly recaps where I go over all the trades I took. But yeah, I'll talk more about what prop firm I'm on once I'm actually in a trade, and I don't want to waste your time, so I'm going to just skip to when I find a setup. Alright, so this is a 15-minute GJ setup right here. It is actually giving really nice rejections. Don't know if I'm going to wait for break of candle because, like I said, we're on the 15-minute. You know what? I'm going to take a chance. We'll see how it goes. I won't lie and say there's no nerves involved when I'm on this 100k account because I'm not used to these numbers. If you watch any of my other videos, you know my account size has been very small. So with that being said, this is quite scary. Now, like I said, the only reason I've taken an aggressive entry here is because we are on the 15-minute. The 15-minute break of candle would take a while to actually hit. We've still got 11 minutes until candle close, so I think this is a decent aggressive entry to take. Well, we'll see anyway. I'm not sure what RR I'd be looking for on this trade. It is a 15-minute setup and we did get an aggressive, so it has potential for a 1 to 2 maybe. Or we could just lose. This definitely could just lose. I'm not used to taking 15-minute setups if I'm honest, but it is a US dollar bank holiday today, so GJ is the only thing I'm trading. I do wish that I waited for break of candle, and I'm not just saying that because I'm in drawdown, I'm saying that because it actually wouldn't have been that bad on an entry. I was expecting to potentially move further up to like here maybe, and then that'd be a pretty annoying entry. I'm gonna let this go all the way through if it needs to. I still have some faith in it. On the 15-minute, we never actually closed inside the zone, to be fair, so still a valid rejection. I quite like looking on it on the 5 minutes, to be fair, on MetaTrader, just because the chart looks cleaner. But yeah, I'm not used to taking 15-minute setups, so this should go like 3 times slower. I'm going to walk away for a bit. Now that I've already entered, I'm not really going to cut this loss, to be honest. Most of the time I'll try and cut my loss, but this looks, I don't know, doesn't look like something that I'll cut my loss on because the stop loss is pretty close to the top of the zone. But before I walk away, I'm just going to quickly talk about what prop firm I'm on. So I was already planning on picking the Forex funder as my prop firm. However, they actually offered me an account anyway, which is why I'm on a 100k instead of a 10k account, which is pretty crazy. Don't know why, but they got good profit split, decent spreads, which is important to me as a scalper, you feel me? I can trade NAS, which is also very important because that's like my favorite pair. It's on MT5. It's just all perfect for me and the strategy I'm trading, so I was already going to pick them anyway. However, they offered me the account and they even gave me an affiliate code, so obviously always do your research before you get any prop firm challenge or use any broker or anything. But if you do want to get a challenge with them, you can use affiliate code MANGO, which, isn't that sick? Sorry, I was just like deep in this the other day. I was like, that's actually crazy. But I'll put a code on screen as well, so you can get like another whole lot % off. And I'm pretty sure you can get a 10k challenge for like $30-something. But anyway, this trade has just kind of flipped on its head once again. It's not really looking fantastic. But like I said, I've got my stop loss in place now. Got a TP, although I may be able to adjust it. And I'm just going to walk away for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, probably like 2 minutes to be honest. I don't know, I just want to look at the trade. But yeah, see you in a second. Well, like I said, it was probably more like 2 minutes, but it looks like it was going well at some point, and actually, in general, it's going pretty decent. It would have actually given the 15-minute break of candle. As you can see here, it went above it, so I don't feel too stupid, even if this does lose. However, it's looking not bad. I don't mind at all. I definitely can't complain too much. However, I'm wary of some kind of reversal business because we have been going up for a while and New York started like 40 minutes ago. And New York loves to do reversals from London, and London was very bullish, so we'll see. We'll see what's up. Okay, I don't know about that one, buddy. I do not know about that one. That is kind of outrageous. Well, we got some rejection back, but... Oh man, I've just realised I should have twin traded so I could take one entry off at like 1-to-1 and then left some runners maybe. I shouldn't have done it all in one big entry, I'm not gonna lie. Think about it though, right? We've currently got a 50-50 chance, just like with no confluence, that it will go either up or down. So when you include the fact that we're bullish, we've just done a little retracement from these highs. We've tapped into a 15-minute demand. Surely we'd go up, but no, what the fuck is this? As I was talking. Holy, what is this fake out? Nah, bro, I don't know about this. Yeah, I'm gonna need some rejections right now. And it is given that, but it's just, bro, what was that candle? What was that candle? Okay, sorry this looks really messy, but often, at least on the 5-minute, it will break candle and then give one of these candles to fake out traders, and that's where a lot of people get out, and then it'll win anyway. But at the same time, it often just breaks candle and then completely fakes out, so it could go either way, really. My fucking PC's gonna run out of memory at this rate. It's gonna be a long ass recording. You know, I'm about to spend 3 weeks editing this video just for it to be like 6 minutes long. Oh, it's gonna be terrible. It's been 35 minutes and we're still below entry. I'm gonna be here for a while, unless it just loses right here. Oh buddy, oh pal. You know, I'm mainly watching the 15-minute on my other monitor on TradingView, and oh my goodness, it is so slow. You know, I've created 3 candles. Created 3 candles in this whole time. Oh, I could not trade the 15-minute, I'm gonna keep it 100. 5-minute is where it's at for me, 100%. Boring ass trade, bro. Oh my goodness. I'm about to fall asleep watching this trade, bro. I actually would walk away again probably, but I'm scared that my PC is gonna run out of memory for this recording to keep going, and this whole thing is just gonna be binned. Which doesn't really matter because I'm more focused on the trade than the recording, but it'd be cool to get a live trade out considering I haven't uploaded in like 3 weeks. It's looking like it's actually coming up with some momentum, maybe to take out this liquidity, or this liquidity, or this liquidity. Hopefully this liquidity. That would be absolutely amazing, let me tell you. I'm gonna get ready to close because we don't know what it's about to do. I'm gonna keep it 100. We do not know what it's about to do. Actually, on the 15-minute, we're looking nice right now. I can't lie. We're looking good on the 15-minute. Oh, GJ, you son of a gun. What are you doing? You know, this is good practice for my psychology, just being in a long ass trade. Because, hey, I'm gonna be going through the ups and downs in this shit. See, this is why I wish I'd twin traded, bro. I would have taken one position at 1-to-1 there, and this would be less nerve-wracking, I guess. No, and then it could just potentially reverse right here. Oh my goodness, the Discord's going crazy. You guys see how I'm looking at the screen. You know, it thinks I can't see it right now. If I pretend that I can't see the screen, then like it'll go out. I'm literally not even looking. You can go out, don't worry about it. Fuck, I looked. I knew I looked. I'm going insane here. What's going on? The 15-minute candle is now bullish as well, so there is reason to go for more than a 1-to-1. However, I do feel a little bit greedy, considering how long this trade has already been going on for. I'm not even happy to see it go up anymore. I'm just numb. I'm numb to any movement. My mental stop loss is more around these lows now, because I'm not letting this be a full loss at least. This is the last chance I'm giving it. I'm gonna keep it 100. You gotta move up right fucking now, or you're done. You're done. Do you wanna be done? She don't wanna be done, but she's not doing enough about it. 15-minute is looking kinda ugly. Kinda ugly, I won't lie. I'm gonna upload this shit either way. Like, this is too much stress to just leave it none. I'm gonna lose my mind. Like, this shit is... This price action is absolute ass. I mean, we're like kind of creating, you know, a higher high. Oh, okay, well, not the higher. We're not breaking these highs, but like slowly, we're not breaking these lows. We're not breaking these lows. So if we do break that low, I think it might be done. But it's looking like it might win. Just really fucking slow. I should have just taken a 1-to-1. What am I doing? What am I doing? Scrap the 3 weeks thing, bro. It's gonna take me 3 months to edit this bitch, and I'm gonna still get it out by tomorrow. Trust. That's how we be grinding out here. Whoa, let's go, GJ. Let's go. I'm not even rooting for you anymore. I fucking hate you. Get out of my sight. Alright, let's talk about the reasons that you should subscribe right now. Number 1, it'd be cool, because I like the big number. If the number gets bigger, I become happier. B, I've held through this trade. C, that was C. Okay. Quick thinking. Do I close at 1-to-1? That feels stupid because I've already missed the 1-to-1. Come to here. Come to here. Come to this little bit of liquidity right here. 1.5k. Do it. I dare you. I double dog dare you. Fuck yeah, I'm taking 1-to-1. I give up. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it this trade. I actually can't. It was a 1-to-1. I'm taking it a 1-to-1. I'm absolutely... I'm speechless. I'm speechless. That was a terrible trade. Okay, it's gonna hit the second after. I don't even care. Deal with it. Get rid of all these boxes. Quick breakdown, eh? Quick breakdown. I've got trading view here because it just looks nicer. And we're going to the 15-minute. This is just a 15-minute setup. As you can see, here's the 15-minute demand zone. We're above the 200 EMA. We've broken this structure right here, and that's all you really need to see when it comes to a 15-minute or 5-minute setup. The higher time frames were also on our side in terms of trend. We're above the 200 EMA. That's all you really need to know. There wasn't really anything else outside of that. I can't say it was a beautiful trade, but it's a win. And you know what? We'll take it. So I hope you boys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, join the Discord, follow the Instagram. Thanks. And yeah, I'll see you whenever. Peace.